I'm going to go to IC 4587. That's the galaxy, a little galaxy that is near. And it's going to be the brightest star. You see Corona Borealis right there? So this is a thermonuclear explosion in space. Like, how cool is that? I just want to show how to easily look already at the blazed star. So there's Corona Borealis. Get it centered on that galaxy. And right near it is the blazed star. Let's go to it. IC4. Okay, I just pointed to it. IC 4587. There's IC 4587. And Corona Borealis, the TCRB, the blazed star, is the nearest, is the brightest star near this galaxy. So it's going to be this one. We're supposed to see it for a few, for I would say days or say maybe weeks, very, very bright. Okay, so you see the blazed star is there. It's that brightest, the brightest star next to IC 4587 because look at this. Blazed star is right there. Right beside it. Oh, there it is. You see it, guys? There are both of them. So you notice it's the brightest star next to IC 4587. Right? There you go. There you go. You see that, guys?